Hai Raihan, Assalamualaikum.
From
Tring. There you go.
Tring Ego.
Oh, the moment I say Assalamualaikum, you're actually wearing a koko.
Waalaikumsalam, Miss Tati.
What's with the dress?
Um, I've been on my Isha praying.
Oh, it's so I haven't seen the your video and I just said Assalamualaikum and then Tring lah. What a coincidence. Nice, nice. Okay. So, did you listen to your recording again?
Yeah.
Did you realize how your intonation goes? Mm,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
So
Totally.
it is good to vary your intonation, especially to grab attention.
Mm,
But try to remember the end of a presentation should be going down
mm,
purely because it's the normal thing to do for us to end a conversation, to end something on a lower note. Just like a song, when you go like, we already know that the song is going to end when the note is slightly longer and oh,
mm.
so it's kind of like a signal. Okay, hang on a second. Okay, can you see this? Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
Okay, let's listen to it together then.
Ah.
Okay, hang on. When you listen to your recording, Raisa actually messaged me privately. Miss, do we have to send our voice note to the group? Can I just send it to no to the group? Why? The more you listen to what people hear about you, the more you listen to what you hear about yourself, the more you're aware of how you should speak. Let's check.
Hello, I'm Rayhan. Today I'm going to talk.
Wait, why is it so? Okay, got it.
Hello, I'm Rayhan. Today I'm going to talk about my favorite sports. I
Done.
really love swimming. It makes my body slimmer and healthier. I started swimming since kindergarten but stopped. I was fat in junior high school and I've started swimming again. I hope this sport makes me healthier than before. I think that's all. Thank you for your attention. The last one, I hate the last one, but I keep trying not my to make my voice higher.
Thank you for your attention.
Uh,
Let's
I
try
keep
one more time.
trying, but
Go ahead.
it's
Please
really
try one
hard.
more time. You still have the script with you, right?
Yeah, yeah. Uh,
Remember, it's like you're telling me a story. So instead of, I started swimming when I was in elementary school because I was fat. And aku tuh mulainya waktu SMA, aku tuh mulainya waktu SD karena gemuk banget. I started swimming when I was in elementary school because I was so fat. So try to make it as if you're telling me a story. Go.
Hello, I'm Rayhan. Today I'm going to talk about my favorite sports. I really love swimming. It makes my body slimmer and healthier. I started swimming since kindergarten, but I stopped. I was fat in junior high school and I've started swimming again. Ay, salah, bisa. Kak, bisa. Bahasa Indonesianya keluar, aduh, Jawanya keluar.
Okay.
Again, again,
Yeah.
again, again.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Hello, I'm Rayhan. Today I'm going to talk about my favorite sports. I really love swimming. It makes my body slimmer and healthier. I started swimming since kindergarten, but I stopped. I was fat in junior high school and I've started swimming again. I hope this sports makes me healthier than before. I think that's all. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oh, in the recording there was no assalamualaikum. So thank you for your attention. And I was like waiting for the last sentence. It's like,
yeah,
what?
I know,
If
but at the part from thank you for attention, I always like kept my voice high. I don't know why. I keep trying, but it's still the same. So I need
you,
to add more sentence at the last part.
it's okay if that's the trick. It's fine as long as the last part is falling, the intonation
Okay.
is falling. Okay, but if your last sentence will be thank you for your attention, what people will be what? They'll be waiting for the next part. Hi Shirley, welcome to the class. Check check. No voice. I cannot hear you. Still.
Hello, Miss.
There you go. Okay, finally. So Shirley, I commented about your what did I comment about Shirley's voice note? Hang on a second, let me check. Okay. So have you checked Google Translate how to say those two, Shirley?
Not yet, Miss.
Not yet. Okay. Yo. Okay. The first thing is STARTED, right? You don't say it as start, but started. So when you have something like this, hold on a second. This one. Oh, I'm going to put it here. Start. If you have it like this, we don't say it as started, but started it, started it.
Started it.
Can you hear that? Started it.
Started. Started.
Ini dibaca dulu. Started
Started.
it.
It.
Started it.
Started.
Started.
If you say started, it's this. Started. Beda artinya.
Started.
This one is started it.
Started it. Started it.
Go on, Chef. Started it.
Started it.
There. This one is started.
Started.
Let's get started. Oh, berarti yang ini.
Practice.
But when you say, I started it, oh, berarti yang ini. Okay? So it's a different pronunciation between started and started it. The same with this. It's not practice it, because if you say practice it, it's this. The simple present, not the past tense. Okay? For the past tense, you need to say as practice it. Practiced it.
Practiced it. Practice it.
Ayo, nilangin.
Practiced it.
Practiced it.
Practiced it.
Practiced it.
Did. Ada D-nya kedengeran. Practiced it.
Practiced it.
Practice it.
Practice did. Ada did-nya di tengah. Ada D-nya.
Practice it.
Practice did. Practiced it. Practice.
Practice it. Practice it.
There. Kalau lambat emang kedengarannya aneh. Practice did maksudnya gimana? But if you make it fast, it will sound natural. Practiced it. Okay. Remember, practice did means the one with ed, past tense. But when you say practice it, it's the present tense. Okay. Oh, hang on. What else did I miss? Started and practiced it. Okay, there you go. Thank you for your voice note. Guys, I'm pretty sure I'd say before Monday. So I was like, ya Allah, kelas sudah mau mulai, mereka baru mengirimkan voice note. and I need to come in and check. So I was like, I need to type quickly. Let's go, let's go. So there's a reason why I said before Monday, because Monday is a busy day. So anyway, let me call Raisa and Alvin. Raisa, Alvin, let's go. Shirley, Raihan, and I are waiting on Zoom. Okay. Oh, let me tell you, there's no formal announcement yet. However, the government just told us that the 18th of this month, the 18th of August, will be a national holiday too, right?
Yeah.
I suppose your schedule, I already sent the academic schedule at the beginning of the term. Your schedule will be moved one session. So I think we will finish the term one session longer than the previous schedule, because the 18th will be a national holiday, so we won't have any classes. Okay. Let's check your writing flip material. Mm, 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 mm. So, wait, why didn't I get? Oh, I need to start from here. GB. Also, this is our, what session is this now? Seventh? Seven. On your 8th session, you will have your midterm test. Oh, and the midterm test will be in the form of an oral test, speaking test. Jadi tesnya akan berbentuk speaking test. It will be like the speaking skills in your student book. So if you take a look at the speaking skills in your student book, you will find out how they are. Okay. But first, we need to complete the writing session. Where's the writing part?
So it's not like a Q&A like IELTS. It's just like reading the books.
It's like, you are going to create a conversation with the partner.
Ah, I see. Okay.
The previous class before you, because they started a week earlier, so they have extra 2 sessions. They just did their oral test, their mid test, sorry. And for the mid test, they were English for teens, remaja, SMP. So these are the scaling, the rating scale for speaking. So the maximum point in LIA is 5, if you don't know that by now. So 5 is perfect, almost impossible for all learners. So I won't give 5 for everyone. Now, if you understand, hang on, who is this? Alvin, okay. Wait. Hi, Alvin. Welcome to the class.
Hi, Miss.
Okay, so we were talking about the 18th of August because it will be a national holiday. So I think there won't be a class during that day, but let's wait for the formal announcement from the administration, okay? And then it means that your final tests, the written test and the oral test, will be moved one session, one session. So I think hang on a second, I forgot When is your final test schedule anyway? GP2. Wait. Okay, I got it. So this is your academic schedule, right? We have the 18th here. This one will be a holiday. It means that this one, the 22nd is your written test. And then the 24th is your oral test. Berarti mundur satu-satu. Okay. As I've told Raihan and Shirley earlier, the previous class was a GET class. Alvin was from a GET class. Alvin tuh dulunya dari kelas GET, General English for Teens. And he knows how to do the oral test. Alvin, you are familiar with the oral test, right?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Now for the oral test, these are the scoring system. You will be scored based on comprehension, pemahaman, fluency, kelancaran berbicara, pronunciation, pengucapan, vocabulary, pilihan kata, and grammar. Grammarnya juga kena. Jadi, this one, the comprehension means understand the examiner's questions and instructions without difficulty. Karena ada pertanyaannya di shared screen, ada instruksinya juga biasanya di shared screen, dan examinernya biasanya juga akan mengucapkan apa yang akan kalian lakukan. Tapi kalau kalian masih bertanya, terus kita harus ngapain ini Mister? Misalnya Mister yang nguji Mister. Terus kita harus ngapain Mister? It will be less point than this. You will probably be here. Or if you keep asking, it will be here. Oh, tadi nggak paham maksudnya gimana, Mister? I'm so sorry. Okay, so dengarkan baik-baik. Listen carefully to the examiner. Read what the instructions on the board or on the screen, and you will be fine. That's comprehension. Okay. Kalau nggak paham boleh bertanya, tapi nggak harus berusaha memahami apa yang ada di layar dulu. Okay. Fluency, speaks fluently and coherently, expresses ideas clearly. So fluency, 1, 2, Raihan and Shirley, your fluency was fine in the voice note. The expectation is you will do your oral test like that. Harapannya pas oral test juga selancar itu. Okay. Alvin, try not to say NBA. Vin, say it, NBA.
NBA.
Masih ditekan B-nya. NBA. NBA.
NBA.
E-nya pakai kol-kol, Alvin. NBA.
NBA.
Okay, that's much better. This is to be a player in NBA, and your B is too stressed. Jangan terlalu ditekan. Okay, why don't we stress our words? Because it will lessen our fluency. Karena kalau semakin banyak kata yang kita tekan, kedengarannya kita nggak lancar. Okay, just like when you talk in Indonesian. Kalau kita berbicara bahasa Indonesia seperti ini, kedengarannya kita lancar sekali. Tapi coba kita berbicara seperti ini, maka kita akan terdengar patah-patah. Do you agree? Kedengeran nggak kalau yang berlogat lebih patah-patah daripada yang tidak berlogat? Yeah, so that's why we hardly stress our words. Jangan terlalu ditekan setiap kata. Okay? And then pronunciation, udah tahu lah pronunciation kalau butuh tahu caranya mengucapkan sesuatu and you don't have me around, you can check Google Translate. Vocabulary, pilihan kata juga menjadi salah satu poin penilaian. Okay. So if you use something like, oh yes, I like it. I really like it. I really, really, really like it. Instead of saying I extremely like it. Oh, that will get you more points than I really, really, really like it. Okay. Grammar. There you go.
And there you go. My biggest enemy.
Let's just check. But before that, sebelum itu, writingnya dulu kita cek. Okay. So it is a magazine segment. Yes, this week sports magazine. But the segment is weekly sports. There you go. This is not the magazine segment. This is actually talking about the magazine segment. Segmentnya cuma weekly sports. Okay. The title, I think you all got it. Run your pain away. Okay. Introduction this week. This is the introduction of the segment. My students tease me because the body starts after the introduction. The same as when you say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Itu belum mulai tuh pidatonya, baru pembukaan aja. Okay. My name is Alvin. It's not yet. Belum mulai juga, masih pembukaan. I'm from Lia Gayung Sari. Belum, masih pembukaan. Okay. The moment you say, today I would like to talk about, belum, masih pembukaan. Okay. And then you started your story. I first played basketball when this is the same like listening the previous session. You already mentioned which one is the starting point, which one is the body paragraph, and which one is, okay. So there will be changes after that. Goals, good. Okay. So the one that you are still confused is the start and the segment. Got it. Now, everyone, please open your student book. Alvin, I know now why you haven't got your student book. I already know the reason. Yo. Okay, so according to the admin, your mom told us that you are not going to continue because this class is clashed, bertabrakan, with your GO class. That's why you haven't got the student book. Ternyata begitu alasannya. Okay. So everyone, please open your student book to page lesson 2C. 2C. The sweetest victory. Okay. You already read Run Your Pain Away. So what has Miss Zainab done to make her life better?
Running.
She has been
Running.
She has been running. Got it. How would you compare her life before and after running? Which one is better? After running or before running?
After running.
After running. Why is it better?
Because he broke his own personal records.
Nope. Why is Miss Zainab's life better after running? Shirley, Alvin, let's go. So, what's the answer?
Because he has asthma and bronchitis.
But that doesn't make her life better.
Supportive
Raisa.
strangers. Ah,
Hi, Raisa. Welcome to the class. It's here. The answer is here.
Hi, Miss.
Okay. There you go. So why is her life better? Because her fitness level has
increased.
increased. All the illnesses, coughing, shortness of breath, and wheezing haven't bothered her. And this is what we're aiming for. The life has become so much better. Why? Because of this. Okay. So Raisa, we were talking about the flip material. What do you think motivates Miss Zainab to run?
Oh, what, Miss?
What do you think motivates Miss Zainab to run? This is for all of you. So Raihan, Shirley, Alvin, Raisa. You need to learn how to skim the text. Scan the text. Okay. Skim is baca cepat. Scan is mencari jawaban dengan cepat. So when you hear something like, what do you think motivates her to run? What's the key word in this question?
Motivates.
Motivates. Got it. So when you see motivates, what can be motivates in this part? Which one can be motivation?
My students teased me because I was afraid of sweating.
There you go. My students teased me because I was afraid of sweating and the sunlight. That motivates her to join a 5K. 5K is 5 kilometers.
Oh,
Now, this is talking about Miss Zainab Warsame. What kind of teacher is she? What does she teach?
she's teaching math.
She's teaching math. Why is only Raihan answering all the questions? Shirley, Alvin, Raisa, turn on your audio. Answer the questions. Let's go. You're not learning anything if you're not trying. Kalau nggak pernah nyoba, nggak bakalan tahu bisa atau nggak. Let's go. Okay. Now we're going to match the sentences half. There are 5 people here, including me. Choose your number. Let's go. Please choose a number. Guys, please choose a number.
Number 1.
Raihan is number 1. Shirley, number 4.
Number 4.
Okay, Shirley is 4. Alvin?
Three.
Sorry?
Number 3.
Alvin is 3. Okay, Raisa?
5.
5. Okay. Raihan, Raisa. R S. Okay, this one is RH. Go ahead then, Raihan.
D option. Some students teased her.
Yo, you need to read the full sentence. Miss
Oh,
Warsame.
Miss Warsame decided to start running because some students teased her.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let's try and do this. One thing that makes her happy when she's running is being able to always do the best and make progress. Alvin?
The first time she reached the finish line, mm, she gets support from other runners on the track. Oh, was beyond
Please read.
was beyond her expectation.
There you go. Okay. Shirley?
Since she started running, she has become healthier.
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 Got it. Raisa?
To her, victory means she gets support from runners on the track.
There's a mistake here. Someone makes a mistake. So, Raisa, what's the answer?
C, Miss.
No. There's a mistake here. One person made a mistake. So your answer is not C. Alvin, Shirley, Raihan, what do you think? What is the answer to number 5?
B.
B?
Mm.
Why is not
D.
B? Because this is already a verb. This one is also a verb. So no.
E.
E. The same. This is a verb and this is also a verb. Not B, not E, not C. 2 more to go.
D.
Not
A.
B, not C, not E.
A.
A. This is the answer. I made a mistake. I what do you call that? I purposely made the mistake. Sengaja buat salah. Because I want you to think what the correct answer is. So number 2 is not A. It is actually number 5. Number 2 is C. Okay. Go ahead, Raisa. Please read number 5.
To her, victory means being able to always do the best and make progress.
There you go. Okay. So that's sentences half. Now we're going to have a class discussion, work in groups, and discuss the given question. I'm going to put you in the breakout room, and you need to try to answer these 6 questions. Okay. Okay, with your partner. Remember, this is teamwork. So work together. Jangan terus diam-diaman. Okay, kamu nomor 1 sampai 3, aku 4 sampai 6. And then no audio, no video, nothing. You need to work together. Okay. Let's try and make the breakout rooms. Create breakout rooms. Assign automatically. Create. Alvin and
Miss,
Shirley. Yeah.
I'm sorry, may you repeat the instruction again?
You will be in the breakout room for 6 minutes. Okay. When you are in the breakout room, you need to find the answers to all these 6 questions. You need to discuss them with your partner because this is teamwork. Don't just go like, kamu ngerjain 1 sampai 3, aku 4 sampai 6. Ya udah, matiin video, matiin audio, kerja sendiri-sendiri. That's not teamwork. You are discussing means you share your opinions with your pair. Okay? Kayaknya sih masih takut deh dia sama berkeringat dan sinar matahari. Kayaknya, tapi aku nggak yakin ya. So, talk with your partner. Okay? Do you have any questions? Alvin doesn't have a book. Raisa, do you have a book? Raisa with Raihan. Sorry. Yeah, Raisa with Raihan. Shirley, do you have the book?
Yes, I have, Miss.
Yeah, because Alvin still doesn't have the book, so you need to read the questions for Alvin. I'm sorry.
Take a picture.
Okay. Go ahead then. 1, 2, 3, go. Done, Alvin?
Cuman langsung bahasa Inggris gitu.
Alvin, done?
Done, Miss.
Done. Okay. Do you have any other questions before I open the breakout rooms?
No.
No. Shirley, do you have any questions?
No, Miss.
Okay. Alvin?
No.
Raisa?
No, Miss.
No, I have. What are you going to do in the breakout room then?
Answer the question and
Answer the
then
questions with
discuss it with the group,
the partner.
with the
Discuss it.
partner.
Discuss them with the partner. Okay. All rooms are open. Shirley, Alvin, why are you not talking to each other?
Wait, Miss. We're still search the answer.
Okay.
Kitis. Itu kayaknya itu deh jawabannya. Kalau yang nomor 2 ini kayaknya yang gini, apa? Bagian introduction yang this week sports segment has Miss Zainab Warsame itu yang kayaknya jawabannya tuh yang she is a math teacher from Iowa. Jawabannya kayaknya ya. Ya gak sih? Aku yang bingung. Iya. Nah, yang nomor 3 ini
Hmm?
itu yang mana tadi ya? Aduh.
Time's up. See, 6 minutes are short. If you're not hurry with your discussion, you will get like that. "Oh, I just got into number 3. Okay. So Raihan and Raisa just got into number 3. I don't know what Alvin and Shirley. When I was there, they didn't even talk. Oh, go ahead. So what is the answer to number 1? We'll start from Raihan and Raisa's team first. What's your
Okay.
answer for number 1?
Number 1 for the answer is it like to read the whole question and also read the answer, Miss?
No, just the answer.
The answer, okay.
We think this was
Because she had asthma and bronchitis.
wait. The question is Miss Warsame still afraid of sweating and the sunlight?
No,
Hmm.
it's not like she is afraid of sweating and the sunlight, but she had asthma and bronchitis. That's
But
the question, the answers.
in the text, it says she was afraid of sweating and the sunlight.
Oh,
In the past, she was afraid of sweating and sunlight. Is she still afraid of sweating and sunlight now?
no,
Because
she start running.
she starts running. Okay. Alvin and Shirley, how about your number 1? What's your answer?
No, she isn't. She
enjoy
enjoys
running
running now.
Sorry, hang on one by one, Alvin. Let Shirley talks. Let Shirley talk. Okay, go ahead, Shirley.
She
No.
is no she is no longer afraid of sweating and the sunlight because she enjoys running now.
Because she enjoys running now. Both of your teams said the same thing because she's running, because she enjoys running. So she's not afraid of sweating and the sunlight now. Okay. Number 2, let's start from Alvin and Shirley's team. Alvin can answer this because Shirley has answered number 1.
Number 2,
Mm-mm.
she is a math teacher
How do you know?
because the text says Miss Zainab, a math teacher from Loa.
Got it. Raisa and Raihan, do you agree?
Agree.
Agree? Okay. Go ahead. Number 3. Raisa can start this because Raihan already answered number 1.
Oh, it means what things could happen after some people this year. Ish. Things could happen.
Sorry, Raisa, your voice is not clear.
What could things could happen after some people.
Raisa, the background voice is louder than your voice. Go ahead. So what good things could happen after some people tease you? Raisa? Raisa is taking too long. Alvin and Shirley, did you find the answer to this? What good things could happen after some people tease you?
Hmm.
Maybe
Mhm.
I can feel motivated.
There you go. Maybe I can feel motivated. Maybe I can feel motivated by the teasing. Like when you get bullied by someone, don't just go like, ya aku emang nggak berguna, aku nggak berguna. Stand up. You are being bullied. It means that you can actually work better than before. Okay. You feel motivated to improve yourself. So don't let other people step on you, but improve yourself. Kalau merasa dibully, jangan terus tambah jongkok, tapi tambah berdiri, tunjukkan bahwa kita bisa. Okay. Number 4, what's the very first thing you should do before you take up a new sport? Did any team get this answer?
Researching, doing research.
We do research. Alvin, what's your answer?
Yeah, doing warm up.
Warm up. So do warm up, do your research about the sports. Anything else? Shirley, Raisa, maybe ideas for number 4?
I have same answer with Alvin, Miss.
You have to do warm-ups. Okay. Probably you also have to like that sport first, right? If you don't like the sport, you go like, ah, why do I
Yeah.
have to go swimming on Sunday? Yeah, so it won't be fun. So what health problems have you ever experienced? This is personal, so I need everyone to answer one by one. Go ahead. We'll start from Raihan. What health problems have you ever experienced?
Overweight.
Overweight. Okay, you already told me that. Raisa, what's your health problem?
I have mah.
Oh, in English, what was that? Hang on. I'm not
Wait,
familiar with the term in English.
is it GERD?
In English.
Kalau
There. There you go. Gastritis. I have gastritis.
I have
Gastritis.
gastritis.
There you go. Alvin, how about you?
No.
No health problem ever.
Oh,
Like you have often have the cold or often have fever. Maybe. I often have a sore throat. So every time I go out, I always have a sore throat. And then I learn to keep a mask on. So every time I go out, I have to keep a mask on because it helps me. So Alfie, health problem, think about it. Shirley, do you have any health problems?
I think I have fever, Miss.
Fever often,
Um,
lumayan sering kena demam.
no, Miss.
No, something that you often have. Alvin and Shirley, still no? Think about it because we are going to try to write an article later about it. Now, running has changed Miss Warsame's life. What's the thing that has changed your life for the better? An activity that has changed your life for the better. Playing basketball, maybe.
Okay.
Swimming. How about Alvin?
Reading books.
Oh, reading books. Okay, nice. Shirley, how about you?
Swimming, Miss.
Swimming. Raisa? Playing volleyball?
Maybe volleyball.
Playing volleyball. Okay, so there you go. Now we're going to try to write what an article for a magazine, just like the example. Okay. What you need to do is to decide the sport. This is actually easy if you have your script from the previous session. You do still have the script, right? You can check your script again in WhatsApp group. Now, what we need to do is to change that script for a magazine article just like this. Run your pain away. Okay. First thing that you need to do is to create a title for your article. Your title must be short and interesting. Maximum words, only 10 words. There, I challenge you to make a title for your article, maximum 10 words. So Raisa is going to talk about volleyball because in the voice note, she talks about volleyball. Raihan is going to talk about swimming. Alvin is about basketball. Shirley is about, Shirley, what was your sport again? Badminton.
Swimming, Miss.
Oh, swimming. Huh?
Yeah.
Really? Was it swimming? Let me check. Shirley. Oh, yes, swimming. I'm so sorry, Shirley, I forgot. Okay, so Shirley is going to talk about swimming. So go on, guys. Think about a title for your article. Artikelnya nanti mirip-mirip sama script yang udah kalian bikin tadi. But we still need a title. Remember, the title should be maximum 10 words. Minimum 2 words. Catchy. Yang menarik. For example, you may want to write from Indonesia to the USA, or from what is Indonesia's league, Alvin? ESL, ESL, IBL, IBL,
Iya.
IBL. From IBL to NBA. Oh, no, I don't know.
Miss,
Mm-mm.
uh, can I make the article same what I make yesterday?
Yeah, but first, the challenge now, right now, is to find a title, to make a title for it. So make your title first. Judulnya dulu, ditantang. Maksimum 10 kata, minimum 2 kata, dan harus menarik. So it can be like, my favorite sport. No way. So, has anybody got a title? Ooh, I'm going to set a time limit. Whether you like it or not, you will give me a title in 2 minutes. Suka tidak suka harus ada judul dalam 2 menit. Cing. Raihan already has a title.
I don't think it's proper to say this, but it is actually catchy though.
Let's try.
Drowning is really not that bad.
Sorry, drumming.
Drowning is really
Drown.
not that bad.
Drowning is really not that bad. Why not? From drowning, you actually comes up again and become better. There, I'll take your title. Okay, drowning is really not that bad. Nice. Okay, Raihan already got a title. Alvin, Shirley, Raisa. Guys, don't take too long. It will be like the previous writing session. Nanti kayak sesi nulis kita yang kemarin. Setengah jam lebih nggak selesai. So, Alvin?
My title, Chasing My Hopes Dream.
Chasing My Hopes Oh, you need to choose one.
Hoops.
Hoops. Oh, hoop. Nice. Chasing my hoop dreams. Okay, I'll take that. Chasing my hoop dreams. Nice, nice, nice. Got it. So, Raihan, Alvin, please click that link. Okay, when you click it, you will come to this part. How about Shirley and Raisa? Have you got a title?
Um, why I love swimming.
Uh, it's pretty basic, but I'll take it. Why I love swimming. Okay. Raisa?
The essence of volleyball.
The essence of volleyball. Okay. So all of you, please click the link in the chat box here. You will come to this page. When you are already on this page, hey, Alvin. Alvin knows how to do this. A, B, C, D, E, F, C, 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 Shirley. And then Raihan, Raihan first. Raihan H, Raisa S. Okay. Where are you guys? Why are you not on this page? Click the link in the chat box. Let's go.
I already at the link.
Ah, there. One person is here. Now click under the plus under your name and you will get something like this. There you go. Now write your title on the subject. When you finish writing the title, click publish. Two people are on.
Enthusiastic people.
Sorry? You can change your name.
Oh,
See, Shirley actually changed her name. Okay, now Shirley, take a look at the example of the article again. There you go. Drawing is really not that bad. Nice. Both of you remember to uh, capitalize your titles. Raisa and Alfred. Now go back to your script and try to make it like Ms. Zainab's article. So the beginning should be introduction, and then the body, and then the body is divided into 3. Alvin, Raisa, your titles? Remember to click publish so I can see your titles. Finn, Alvin, where's your title? Alvin, chasing my hoop dreams. The S should be with the dreams one. Alvin, hoop dreams. So not Hoop's dream, Hoop dreams. Or if you only have one dream about it, Hoop dream. Hoop dreams. Okay. Raisa, just the title. I just need the title here. Let's go. Don't take too long, just the title. Publish. Raisa, can you see my screen? Why is it taking so long? Hello, Raisa. Take a look at my screen.
Ngelek, Miss. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay. But you just need to do this and then type your title on the subject and then publish. That's it. Type the title, publish. Okay, while we're waiting for Raisa, everyone, please take a look at the sample article again. Sample article is this. You need to talk about yourself. This week's sports segment has Mr. Maulana Rehan. I don't know. What's your job and from where you are? So go ahead, please put that in your article. The same with Alfin. This week's sports segment has Mr. Alfin. Wait, I forgot Alfin's full name. Alfin something. The same with Shirley. Shirley, type this. This week's sports segment has Miss Shirley, blah, 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 from blah, blah, blah. And then publish again. When you've written this, publish your article again. Raisa, can you share your screen so I can help you? Share your screen. Click the share button so I can help you. Yo, don't forget to publish again so I can see your results. Rayhan, Shirley, and Alvin, when you're done with introducing your name, publish again.
Like
Oh,
this week's sports.
hang on. Do you know how to edit your work? You do, right? The edit button is there. Check.
Oh, I
There's
see.
an edit button. Shirley, edit button is here. Alvin, edit button is here. You should find the edit button there. There. This week's sports segment has Maulana Raihan Sani, a student from State University of Surabaya. Period.
Period.
Yeah. Titiknya jangan lupa.
Oh yeah.
See, there's a period there. This is a comma. What are you doing?
Wait, is that a comma?
Yes, it
Oh yeah.
is.
Oh my God.
Yo, Raisa, it's taking too long. Seriously, too long. Share your screen so I can help you. Coba bagi layarnya biar bisa Miss Tati bantu.
Kayak dia kayak gini, Miss.
Hang on. One more time.
Hai.
Can you show your phone? Hmm? I cannot see. Wait, you send it to my number. Yeah, do you want to change your name? What should we call you, Raisa?
But
The website is asking, do you want to be called Cheerful Robin or do you want to have another name? If you want to have another name, type your name there. Jangan bingung, dibaca instruksinya, dipahami instruksinya di websitenya. Done? Have you published? Yo, Shirley. Hang on. Shirley got it wrong. Wait. Let me go to Shirley. Shirley, you should edit
yang tadi ganti po namanya.
under this one, Shirley. Can you see this edit button, Shirley? Do you have that edit button on your screen? So edit and then add to this part. You need to write it down here. This week's sports segment has blah 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 blah. Jadi artikelnya ditaruh di sini, di bawah. This one is a comment. You are adding a comment to your post. No, not as a comment.
Yang mana tadi, Miss?
This 3 dots and then there will be edit here. Or you can just click 3 dots, edit post. Alvin, where's your this week sports segment? Raihan, please continue with the article. Change your
Okay.
script the last session to the article.
Terus ya.
Where's Raisa? Raisa is still here, right? Wait, I cannot see Raisa's. Huh?
Miss,
Yeah, what is it? Sorry?
Miss, I text you, Miss. Because dia terus loading, Miss.
Your face is gone from my screen, Raisa. What happened? This will help. Want to skip entering your Raisa Aquila. Is it still loading? That's why. Okay, Raisa, if it's taking too long, type it in the chat box. Type your article in the chat box. I will put it in under your name. Go ahead. Oh, because I pin you. That's why you're gone.
Miss,
Mm-mm.
ini yang bagian mana yang diubah, Miss?
Can you share your screen, Shirley?
Wait, Miss.
Okay. Okay. Now click the three dots. Edit. Oh, that. Oh, hang on, hang on. There is an edit already. There, edit. Click. Then you need to write this week's sports segment is here.
Wait, what?
What you wrote, Shirley, was in the comment section. Tadi yang Shirley tulis ada di bagian komentar. Seharusnya artikelnya di sini. So please copy and paste it here.
Okay, Miss.
Wait, edit. Where's the edit button?
Yeah, Shirley is okay. Raisa, for the title, oh Raisa was absent during, Raisa banyak ketinggalannya karena banyak nggak masuknya. Okay, for titles, you need to capitalize all words except prepositions. So T is capitalized, huruf T-nya di huruf besar. E is capitalized, V is capitalized. O is not. O-nya nggak usah karena dia preposisi. And Raisa, please do your flip material before the class. You only got 3 points for the flip material. Kurang waktu untuk memahami apa yang sedang kita pelajari. Karena buru-buru ngerjainnya juga pasti nggak maksimal. The essence of volleyball. Continue. Now you have, if you read your student book, it will be like this. Sorry. There you go. This week's sports segment has, and then your name, your job, from where you are. Oh, Raihan, capitalize your I. Name.
Name. Oh,
Sorry. Shirley, you missed the period after Medan. Period, tanda titik. A student from Medan, period. Remember, we are trying to write using the correct punctuation, capitalization, and so on. Mhm. This week, Alvin, sports is capitalized. Judo segmentnya sports, so it needs to be capitalized.
where's the I?
Sports. Here, I am Raihan.
Ah. Oh, yeah.
Wait, because this is not speaking, there's no thank you for your attention. Itu kalau speaking, thank you for your attention. This is article. We don't end it with thank you for your attention. Take a look at the last part. What is the last part? Closing, but not thank you for your attention. Raisa, you miss your period also. A student from Medan, period. Tanda titik, jangan lupa. Okay. And then your name, Raisa Akila. The A should be capitalized. A-nya juga harus huruf besar.
Yes, Miss. I'm
Copy
sorry.
paste. It's okay. Copy paste and then fix your mistakes. So I can copy it to Padlet.
Masa gini? Oh my God, this is funny, bro.
Hmm? Your A.
Please wait, miss.
Okay, there. Now you need to change your script into an article like this, like Miss Zena Porsame. Isinya tetap isi script Raisa, tapi model tulisannya dibuat kayak gini. So, let's check what's the first part should be. Segment done, title done, introduction done, body. Nah, how do you make your body paragraph, Raisa? Take a look at the sample and then try to emulate it. Lihat contohnya dan coba buat seperti contohnya, tapi dengan situasinya Raisa. My dream, misalnya, mimpiku selama ini adalah menjadi pemain volley, sorry, apa tuh? Mimpinya apa tadi? Menjadi siswa
Kedinasan.
kedinasan. Untuk menjadi siswa kedinasan, tinggi badanku harus sekian, sekian, sekian. And then, karena itu aku suka sekali dengan, so gitu. Yo, we only have 1 minute and we haven't finished anything.
Whoa, 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 chill, chill.
Raihan, why is your Raihan underlined with today?
I don't know, miss, but if I press these words, it's leading me to some kind of website link.
Hey, are you trying to rickroll us? Underline. Link. There you go. Raihan, can you see my screen?
Wait.
There are red underlines for your writing.
Red underlines.
Can you see them?
Sunny. Wait, wait, wait. Where's the zoom? There you are. Eh, 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 eh. Yes.
Okay. Take a look at this.
Uh,
The state university. Please add the, and then off should be not capitalized.
I see.
Of Surabaya. I started swimming. You cannot say since when it started. This is past, simple past. Yang boleh pakai since seperti kita bahas pertemuan kemarin adalah
Since.
present perfect. I
Where's
started
since?
swimming in kindergarten.
Kok aku bingung ini?
I started swimming in kindergarten.
Wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 wait. Oh, Surabaya. Wait, wait, wait.
Miss,
Mm-mm.
ini dibikin isinya bisa dari yang kemarin saya bikin.
Yes, that's how you do it. Memang sengaja kita bikin yang kemarin skripnya tertulis supaya kali ini kalian lebih mudah bikinnya. So you just need to edit some things from your script. Tinggal diedit-edit, jadikan paragraf. Oke.
Ininya juga nggak ke copy nih. Gimana sih?
Okay, this is the deal, guys. Time's up. It's already past 9 p.m. We keep we keep going the extra time for writing. Yang ini yang nggak boleh seharusnya. Karena kalian waktu nanti final test, writingnya waktunya hanya 30 menit dan harus selesai, mau nggak mau. Remember, the writing part, the essay part is 20 points. Essaynya sendiri adalah 20 poin. Jadi kalau kalian nggak selesai itu nulis dalam 30 menit essaynya, kehilangan 20 poin tuh rugi banget. That's why I ask you to try to make your writing quickly. Seharusnya writing kita bisa lebih cepat daripada ini. Okay, Alvin already got it.
Is it like this, Miss?
Hang on.
Oh, I forgot the titik.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Alvin, you need to follow the segments. Ikuti segmen yang ada di sini, contohnya. So the first one is, sorry. The first one is talking about what started your sports. Oke, yang ini udah lumayan. But you don't need to say, hi there, my name's Alvin. Kan udah di sini. This week's sports segment has Alvin Fadila Prayoga. So, that's why I said, jangan langsung bulat-bulat skripnya dimasukin ke situ. Diedit dulu. You don't need this. Hi there, my name's Alvin. Delete. Today I want to share with you about my favorite game sport, which is basketball. Delete. You need to change the sentences into something like this. Cerita dari awal dulu. Okay? So probably something like this. I started playing basketball when I was in junior high school. Kan mulainya dari situ. Since then, I've always played it at least twice a week. And then basketball, this one, you can use this sentence. Basketball has changed my life. First, nah, baru dijelasin. Basketball has changed my life. First, or basketball makes me happy. Itu masuk ke paragraf pertama berarti. First, I've realized that my passion for the game has grown and it's become a huge part of my life. Second, perlu ditambahin berarti karena nggak punya second. Okay? So this is for all of you. Remember the same, Raihan?
Yeah.
Why do you have, hello, I'm Raihan. Today I'm going to talk now. Guys, kalau nulis dibaca lagi artikelnya. Ini udah jelasin namanya. This week's sports segment has Maulana Raihan Sani, a student from, di sini hello, I'm Raihan lagi. Okay, so everyone, please continue your writing. Remember, you can submit it before the day of the class, okay? Jadi masih sampai besok. Silahkan, kapan mau dikerjain terserah. But please not on the day of the class. Jangan di hari kelas, kapan mau ngeceknya? Nanti kayak tadi. I was like, what? You? Okay, so before we end the session, do you have any questions?
No.
Dibaca lagi contoh artikelnya, diikuti. So, jangan bulat-bulat, skripnya dimasukin. Hello, my name is Shirley. Today I want to talk. Okay. The same with Raihan Alvin. Take a look at your script. Boleh dipakai skripnya, tapi harus diedit karena formatnya beda. Yang satu buat speaking, satu buat writing. Okay. So, take a look at that again. Okay then. If you don't have any questions, I'm going to end the session. Remember, you still have until tomorrow midnight. Masih sampai besok tengah malam. Kapan mau diselesaikan terserah, ada waktu luang. Seharusnya sih kalau santai 10 menit selesai. Okay? Shirley, Alvin, Raisa, do you have any questions?
No, Miss.
Shirley? No? Ada, Shirley ada
Oh.
pertanyaan.
No.
No. Alvin, do you have any questions?
No, Miss.
No, okay. Thank you so much everyone for joining today's session. Read your own article. Baca lagi artikel kalian. Kalau terasa aneh ya diedit, jangan langsung mentah-mentah. Oke. Thank you so much. Good night everyone.
Good night, Miss.